waking up with a stretch and a yawn in my cozy bed at the break of dawn. My paws start tapping a funny little beat. Can't help moving their happy little feet. A silly wiggle, a playful leap, while the rest of the world is fast asleep. Out to the garden, a world so new, dancing with butterflies, me and you, spinning round the flowers red and gold. A happy story to be told. Then a splash in the pool so sparkly bright, turning my moves to bubbly light. Oh, every place is a stage for me, a dancing kitten, wild and free. From the morning sun to the moon's soft tune, my magical adventure has just begun. In a forest glowing with firefly light, I dance so softly in the magic night. Then on a boat across the glowing sea, a tiny dragon starts to dance with me.